Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Soy señor Carey y hoy es lunes, el 14 de septiembre, y aquí tienen el horario para hoy. Today's agenda. Vamos a repasar la tarea de hoy. La tarea de hoy, dos actividades, bingo, your 4 bingo cards, y los juegos en línea, the 3 games that I asked you guys to play online, practicing numbers 1 through 50. We'll go over a lesson, telling time en español, ¿qué hora es? And then we have some guided practice exercises out of the textbook, and you have no homework for Wednesday, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look first and foremost for bingo. Forgive me, that's not the right assignment. Bingo is here. For bingo, you guys needed to complete 4 bingo game cards. 2 of those games, you filled out your bingo card numerically, meaning in digit form, like you can see here, 49, 54, 77. For the other 2 games, you needed to write the numbers out in alphabetical form. So letter by letter, 49, instead of just 49, 54, instead of just 54. So 4 games total, 2 numerical, 2 alphabetical, and then you uploaded those 4 games to Canvas. And the instructions are here for how to do that if you're not familiar with uploading an assignment in Canvas. The other activity I asked you to do for today were those online games. 3 online games where you're practicing the numbers 1 through 50. You click here, it'll take you to those games, and then to submit your scores or the results of the games, you just take a screenshot of each of the 3 games. You could take a selfie if you so choose, and then upload those 3 pictures or selfies of your completed assignments, upload those to Canvas, and you can watch the video that walks you through how to do these activities, and then a video for how to submit in Canvas. All right, so that was the homework for today. Let's go back into the calendar and see telling time en español is the next activity we're going to do. So I created a module for you. If you guys go into our course, click modules on the left-hand side here. And then you'll see that there's a page that I created going over how to tell time in Espanol. Go ahead and click on that. This is a funny telenovela. If you only have 3 weeks of middle school Spanish, what would a telenovela, Spanish soap opera, sound like? It's a pretty funny skit we watched together in class. You guys can check that out. Just a little comedic relief. Here you guys have the vocabulary and expressions for how to tell time in Espanol, so you can click on those. It'll take you there. All of these, by the way, are in textbook page 8. And that's actually the practice activity. So after going over those key vocabulary terms and concepts here, we're going to do the practice exercises 11 and 12 on page 8, where you guys are going to write out or say in Spanish the time as it's expressed there digitally, but write it out like the example. And the opposite for number 12, you're going to hear the times in Espanol, and then you're going to jot down in digital format, numerals, the time that you hear described. And that's it, guys. That is our agenda for today.